Hi, hello.
Namaste,
Hello.
Satyakal.
Excellent.
Hello. Hi, hello.
Namaste, Satyakal. Sports improves our competence, brings into life top level brilliance. Sports bring out our mettle, give strength to face life's battle. Sports are the key to self reliance, a way to accept mistakes without defiance. Sports illuminates team spirit, inculcates in students this noble habit.
So, welcome to this great grand event, the 27th CAPS Olympics. So, CAPsites, are you ready to show your energy?
Yes.
Come on, CAPsites.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Requesting
Yes.
everyone to switch on your videos. Before we start the main event, before
You're on mute.
can you hear me? Before we start the main event with full patriotism, let us sing the national anthem. I request everyone to raise for the national anthem.
And remove the hat if you're wearing.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
बोलो भारत माता की
Jai.
I request everyone to take your seats. Okay. ಏನ್ ಬೇಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಡ್ರೈವರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏ ಶ್ರೇಯಾ, ನಾವ್ ಎಲ್ಬಿಡು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ
ಓಮೆಗಾ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡೋಣ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಾ? ಜರ್ನಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಏ ಇರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾ, ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಬಂದ್ರಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ, ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ. ಇರು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ?
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ತಗೊಳಮ್ಮ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೋ.
ಸೊ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಚಿನ್ಮಯ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ಹಾಫ್ ಟಿಕೆಟಾ ಫುಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟಾ?
ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಿಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿನಾ? ಹೋಗೋಣ?
ಎಸ್ ರೈಟ್.
Passengers, kindly pay attention.
Hold tight on your seats.
Get your luggages ready and block your seats properly because
This 3 hours of journey is going to pull your sweat off.
in case of any emergency,
Feel free to laugh out loud because we are not responsible for the stomachache because of the uninterrupted laughter.
okay, ಹೊರಡೋಣ?
Yes, right.
Okay. ಈ ರೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೇಯಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಂಪಿದೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಗರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೊದ್ಲೇ ವಾರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡು.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಗ್ರದು ಮೇಘ? ಇದೇ ಒಂದು event ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ. So here we start our first event, that is skipping.
Okay, rules for skipping. One participants per team. Maximum, there's no limit. Participants must keep their video on. Participants must keep their video on. They'll have to continuously skip for 1 minute and the number of times will be noted down. There'll be 2 rounds with elimination and the winner will be decided based on time and count.
So can we have the names of participants who are participating for skipping? Maybe we can request our team leaders to tell out the names.
Samarth from
Team
team
one?
8.
Shall we go in order? Team 1, who is the captain?
Actually, I'm the captain.
Could you, okay, your name please? Okay, or the participant who is participating from your event, from your team.
I am actually not sure.
Okay, next event, decide within. Sorry, next team. Team 2?
I am the captain.
The
Coming from here.
name of the participant who is participating for skipping?
Kavya. Kavya is participating in skipping.
Okay, requesting the admin to spotlight her video. Team 3?
I myself will be going, Madhura Sudiksha.
Okay, great. Team 4? Can we be a little quick?
I guess her name is Vanilla.
Okay, Vanilla's video to be spotlighted. Next team? Team 5. Team 6?
I will do.
Your name please?
Parinita.
Parinita's video to be spotlighted. Okay, team 7?
Mama, I will do.
Your name please?
Anaga.
Okay, Anaga's video. Okay, next team?
Team 8. Samarth and Anirudh.
Okay. There's no limit on participation, so anyone can come in.
Excuse me, from team 5, can I come?
Your name please?
Pratiksha Maital.
Also one request, please rename yourselves with the name of the team. For example, team 1, your name, team 2, so that it will be easy for us to.
So from team 1, there is one person, Bhumika BV, who is ready to participate.
Great. Team 2, did we have a participant? Guys, can we be a little
From
quick?
T2 Kavya.
Your video must be on. Video must be on. Quickly keep the video on. Then only you can tell your names.
Other participants who are interested, you can come in.
Yeah.
Anyone can come. As we had told before, to keep the skipping rope ready. Okay, Kirtana from team 3. Great. You can raise your hand so that we'll spotlight your videos.
Only
Anyone
video
else?
is on.
Srivasudev from team 5.
Very nice. Next.
Vanilla from team 4.
Okay. So team 1, we have team 2.
My request and suggestion, if your videos are not on, please don't tell your names. We will be wasting our time in searching your names. Only if the videos are on for this kind of games, actually you should just call the name. Because your videos are off, then we will call, it's a waste of time. Volunteers, please take care of it. Some names they are called twice, thrice, but their videos are off. Only if the videos are on, you will raise the hand. Yeah.
Okay, for now we have 9 participants.
Yeah, go ahead.
From team 8 we have 2. Team 1 done, team 2 done, team 3 done. No. Okay, maybe next. Sandhyaka, can we have Kirtana from team 3? Like, can we swap her?
Yeah. Anirudh or Samarth, one of you, can you please participate in the next round?
You'll surely get an opportunity.
Samarth can go. I'll leave.
Okay.
No, I'll leave the event. Let Samarth participate.
No,
Yeah.
you'll get an opportunity with the next
Yeah,
one.
it's fine. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay. So no one from T4. What is this? Who is the captain?
Vignesh is
Oh,
there.
yes, ma'am, Vignesh.
Is your video spotlighted?
Team 5, Parinita or Vasudev, and any one of you come in the next round. Yes, Vasudev is not there. Vignesh, right?
I'll come in the next round.
So I hope everything is fine.
From Team 5, I'm coming. Vasudev, Sri Vasudev will be coming in next game.
Yes.
So volunteers ready?
Wait, yes.
Wait. We'll give you a start thing, then you can start.
Tejaswini, Kavya, your videos are off. Disqualify the team, entire team. Careful. Keep it on till the game is on. Yeah. Okay, start please.
Poonima ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, Lasya. Keep the timer.
Ma'am?
Yes, okay.
And volunteers, each volunteers are ready alwa to observe each team. Okay, right. Say, go ahead.
The event starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Very good. Others can cheer up for the team.
Go,
Unmute
Samarth.
Go,
Come on, Samarth.
Come on, Vignesh.
Come on, Parinita. Come on, Samarth. Come on, Parinita. Come on, Samarth.
Parinita will win.
Come on, Samarth.
Bhumika.
Come on, Parinita. Come on, Samarth.
Team 1.
Come on, Pratisha.
Come on, Kavya.
Come on. Tejaswini, come on.
Awesome job. Bhumi.
Come on, Parinita.
Yay.
Come on, Kavya.
Come on, Samarth.
Come on, Tejaswini. Come on.
Time up.
Good job. Nice one.
Shall I tell the number of counts?
Second round. Admire.
Second round.
Okay, all others who were interested in participating, you can raise your hand so that your videos will be spotlighted. So even you are skipping.
Yeah, I'm skipping that.
Wow.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. Whoever raises the hand. Okay, Ashwini's daughter is participating. Very good. Yeah. Children are encouraged. Participate. Okay. Any other name? Hands. Volunteers. Highlight ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Quick. Fast ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fast.
Anyone else? Anyone can come in.
Anyone can come in from any team.
Team 5.
With video on. Video off ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Anjali Kumari. Video off ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Moment they switch off the video, you just replace them. First.
I hope all the videos are spotlighted.
Anybody else?
I'll do from Team 5. Sir.
What's your name?
Parinita.
I'll do it.
Team 5, Srivastava is
Ratnam,
there.
okay, right, pass. Next. Anybody else? Next. Hurry up. Anybody else? Asana? Okay.
To be spotlighted.
Who is that? Anaga. ಅನಘಾ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿನಾ? ಅನಘಾ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes sir, done sir.
Done. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, volunteers, please go ahead.
The event starts in 3.
Lasya, 1 minute. Okay, the order of the volunteering will go as usual according to the spotlighted order. It's not the team, spotlighted order. Please make sure it is done like that.
Which team is Anjali from? Anjali Kumar. Team 5, ma'am.
He is coming with your IDs, participant IDs.
ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಗೋ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಟೀಮ್ 5 ಇಂದ 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೀಮ್ 5 ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. And let the persons who are skipping also let them count. Go ahead.
I'll start.
Yes.
The event starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Ratna.
Come on, cheer up.
Come on, Anirudh.
Vasudev, you can. Vasudev,
Come on, Anirudh.
Come on, Vasudev.
Vasudev.
Single leg skipping ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಬಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Come on.
Come on, Vinay. Come on,
Very
Anirudh.
good. Ashwini is already doing well.
You can. Fast, you can. Ashwini.
Come on,
Vasudev, you can.
Come on, Vinay.
Pariniti.
Come on, Anirudh.
Ashwini, come on, guys. Come on.
Come on, Vinay and Anirudh, easy go.
Yes,
Come on,
Anjali,
come
come on. Yes, Anjali, you can do it.
Come on, Vinay. Come on, Anirudh.
Yo, Ratna.
Vasudev.
Vasudev, yes.
ವಾಸುದೇವ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
Sri Vasudev.
Time up,
yes.
time up.
Well done, guys. Well done.
Okay. Each of the participants ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೌಂಟೆಡ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ, ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್.
Yes, sir. Right.
ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಏನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕತ್ಲಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು? ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಎಲ್ಲೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಎಂಜಾಯ್.
Requesting all the participants to send your count so that we can cross check.
Okay, go ahead to the next game, Allah. Next game.
Yes. Mega. Could you please lower your hand? ಏನ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಮೇಘ, ಹೆವಿ ಕುಣ್ದಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಎಗರಿದ್ರು. ಶ್ರೇಯಾ, ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನಿದು? ನಂಗಂತೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಮೇಘ, ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ಹಾ, ಕೇಳು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಮನ್ ಸರ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ, ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತ. ಅಮನ್ ಸರ್.
Yes.
Sir, what does that symbol mean, sir?
ಫುಲ್ ಲವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಲವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಮನ್? ಹೇಳೋ ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೇಳಿ. No entry.
ಮೇಘ ಸಖತ್ ಚುರುಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಘ. ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
No entry.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ ಆಡ್ಸೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
ಎಲ್ರನ್ನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೋಗೋ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. So here are the rules. Each team has to guess the logos of the companies. Team which answers the most qualifies to the next round, I mean the final round. One representative from a team must answer. Team discussion is allowed in WhatsApp. So I hope you all have your WhatsApp groups. So keep supporting your team representative, and if we can know who are the team representatives for the logo quiz round, we shall start the round.
So with your permission, if I can add on,
Yes,
So
sir.
each team, please select your representative. It need not be captain, the person who is going to answer with video on. Whereas all the group members can chat in your group. You can chat with other group also. Other group members will get the idea, no problem. So in your WhatsApp group, we said. I hope it's clear. So who is your representative? Please chat publicly so that with the team 1, team 2, T1, who is the representative? Quickly, our volunteers will take note of it.
So team 1, who is the representative?
Quickly.
Guys, let's be quick. We'll do this. Team 1, who is the representative?
Okay, team 1 disqualified. Team 2.
I have chatted.
Where you chatted? With whom? Where?
I sent it to everyone.
No,
Apurva.
it did not come.
Okay,
Apurva,
team 1,
Okay.
Apurva. Okay,
Apurva,
great.
next.
Team 2?
From team 2, Kavya.
Kavya, Barkodi.
Okay.
Team
Team
3.
3?
Shivani BS.
Team 4?
Team 4, Prajwal.
Rajwal. Okay. Team 5?
Rahul Pigeon.
Team 5, Rahul P. Jain.
Great. Team 6?
Prema.
From team 5, I'm also.
One representative. Maybe you can. There are a lot of games. Maybe you can come in it. Okay.
Okay.
Team 7?
Kiran Jain.
Great. Team 8?
Chinmay.
Okay. Lasya, please keep a note of the time. So, Sandhyaka, can we start?
1 minute, right?
Good going.
Yes,
Great
we can.
participation. Great.
So, let's go to the first one. Team 1, please guess the answers by seeing the logos. Which company are these logos of?
Representative, kindly answer.
Team 1, Apurva.
Unmuted answer,
Vodafone.
Alva.
And
Time's running.
oops.
Timer.
1 sec.
Yeah.
How much more
Volunteers,
time
please
we
keep the
have?
timer. Please keep timer. I think you should keep the timer, volunteer, quickly.
25 seconds left.
25 seconds. Okay, Adobe. Is it?
First one or second one?
Second one.
Okay, great. First one.
First one is Vodafone.
Last year, please keep a note of time. So we'll go to the answers. You were absolutely right, Vodafone and Adobe.
Yay.
So team 2 representative was Kavya. WhatsApp discussion is allowed. Team 2 Kavya, you can come in.
Time starts now.
First one is Warner Bros. Motherhood. First one is Warner Bros. And second one is UNICEF.
Great. Let's see the answers. Good one, Kavya, good one.
Shreya, you should be restricted to 30 seconds, ma'am. How much time you are giving?
So the one who answers quickly will go.
No, the time given should be only, I think, 30 seconds.
Okay,
not
30
more,
seconds, fine.
Not more than 30 seconds. 20
Last
seconds
year.
should be enough. Yeah, last year.
So shall we move to the next team? Team 3, Shivani.
Time starts now.
Yes. Team
Rolex.
representative.
The first one.
Sorry.
And the second. First one is Rolex and the second one is 2 Target.
Can we go with the answers? Great one. Team 4.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, great. Prajwal, representative. So, team 4 questions. Sandhyaka.
Time starts now.
First one is Gucci, second one is Wikipedia.
You sure?
Damn sure.
Great.
Yes.
First one was channel, second one was Wikipedia.
5 grace mark.
Just miss.
Volunteers, 5 grace mark because quickest answer.
ఈ బ్రెడ్ ఏమైనా ఉందా
Sir,
బ్రెడ్
first one went wrong.
లేదా
Minus mark last time.
Okay. So next team, Rahul Jain, team 5.
Second one is SBI. First one is
Team, you can help your representative.
first one is second one is SBI. One is beat by Digari. Beat by Digari.
10 seconds left.
Beat by Digari, SBI. Final.
Final answer is?
Beats and SBI.
Okay, can we go with? Okay, the answers were Beats and SBI. Next team.
That the first answer, I think they Googled and got it. I think it should be -5 because the answer given is not correct. Only second answer is right. Volunteers. Next.
Team 6, Prema.
Your time starts now.
Red Bull. First one is Red Bull, and second one is Box Bin Row.
Okay, so quickly go to the next. Answer wrong.
First one was Red Bull, second one was Baskin Robbins.
So second one is wrong. Second one is not the right answer. She gave.
Second one was wrong. So team 7, Kiran Jain.
First one is Walmart.
Second one?
Spotify.
Next.
So the answers were Walmart and Spotify. Right answer.
Right. And please give the answer first and second. Don't give second and first. Okay. Next.
Please mention first, second, so that there is no confusion. Team
it should be
8.
in the same order. Let them in the same order. Next.
Team 8.
Time starts now.
BSNL and Titan.
So the answers were BSNL and Titan. So can we know the top 3 participants?
Team 8, because they got it in 7 seconds. Team 7, 10 seconds. And the one who've got one wrong are not counted, right?
No.
Then we have to have a tiebreaker between T2 and T3. Both got the answers in 20 seconds.
Okay, so for T2 and Team 2 and Team 3, we shall have the same same representatives. 2 questions will be projected. The one who says that I am going to answer first will get the chance of answering. If they go wrong, maybe the chance of answering will go to the next team. So Team 2 and
Team 4.
Is there a time limit?
Quickest answer. 10 seconds.
Team 2 and Team 4, Kavya and Prajwal. Are you ready? Kavya
Yes,
and Prajwal.
yes.
Kavya, are you ready?
Yes.
The one who says I'm going to answer will be given the first chance to answer.
Unmute and answer. Unmute and tell yes, Santa.
Please
Yes.
keep it unmuted so that you can answer quickly. Okay, so we'll go to the question.
Is it Team 3? Because I heard Team 3.
I'll answer.
Who is that, Prajwala?
Okay, this
Yes, sir. Volkswagen and PayPal.
Okay, hold on. Next, that second team also let them tell.
Volkswagen and PayPal.
Okay, I think Prajwala is one.
Okay, the answers were right. Volkswagen and PayPal.
It is actually Volkswagen. It's not Volkswagen. It's pronounced as Volkswagen. Pronunciation is Volkswagen. It's okay, no problem. Go ahead. Excellent.
So last year, the final teams are Team 1, Team 7 and Team...
No, Team 3, Team 7 and Team 8.
Okay.
Excellent. Very good. Give a big round of applause to all of them. Very good. All of you participated well. So lose as well. The participation is important. That's okay. Right.
So we shall have the final round.
So now the others should not answer. It's only team 3, 7 and 8. So group will chat buddy. They should be given only 15 seconds. And 15 seconds only whoever Use the correct answer. Go ahead. That's it. Close. Yeah, sorry.
So we shall have team 3 in. Team 3, Shivani, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question.
Time starts now.
You'll have to guess which company's tagline is this. Once you pop, you can't stop. Once
Googling is prohibited. Googling is prohibited. Only looking at the WhatsApp.
Time up.
Time up. Loss. Okay. 0. Next. What answer?
Answer was Pringles.
Oh, good one. Yes. Super.
Okay, next, shall we have Kiran Jain? Are you ready?
Yeah.
You have just 15 seconds.
So please answer quickly.
And
Here,
I suggest them to keep their mobile if they're going through laptop. Let them keep the mobile with the left hand on the top so that we can see. They are seeing only with WhatsApp. We trust them, but nevertheless, we verify.
So here goes the question.
Time starts now.
Impossible is nothing. Great. She answered Adidas. So let's see the answer.
Kalidas, younger brother.
The answer is Adidas. So she
Excellent.
gets the point.
Before you could complete, she gave the answer.
So-
Match fixing ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Shreya match fixing ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅವಳು before you could answer. Yeah, it's okay. Go ahead. It's okay. All
So
okay.
here we have from team 8, Chinmay. So Chinmay, ready?
Yes.
Very good. Here comes the question.
Starts now.
Open happiness. Open happiness.
5 seconds left.
Can I answer?
Coca-Cola.
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 Okay, Chinmay answered Coca-Cola. Let's see what the correct answer is. The answer is Coca-Cola.
Okay. Now, who are those two people answered? There should also be given only. Take it. Share off ಮಾಡಿ. So other two people have answered now. They should be given the prize alone. Other two, apart after Chinmay, someone else has answered. Who is that Coca-Cola?
Sir, I guess that was from the same team. Am I right?
Who answered?
Who answered Coca-Cola?
They should also be given the prize. Who answered that?
Sir, me. Sir, me. Nesar.
Nesar from which team?
Sir, team 8.
Team 8. And one more? One more girl. Yaar answer brother.
Who answered Coca-Cola with Chinmay?
Okay, so that team 8 minus 5. Normal marks you give minus 5 because only the representative should answer. This rule has been very clear. So because Nesar answered, minus 5. Normal marks you give, whatever Chinmay's marks you give, minus 5 for breaking the rules. Correct, Shreya?
As you say, sir.
As you say, you only told me in the morning that there should be the rule anta. Okay,
Sir,
now the first time we will allow, because I think if you are not understood the rules, now don't give minus 5. But I'm telling you, from next time when you have a representative from your team, only that person should answer. Whereas no one answers, then we'll keep the question open to the public. No, we'll keep the question to the public. So please understand the spirit. But keep the I say it should be minus 5, but I think Shreya, the leader, is not happy for it. But from next time, I think I should be happy, Lasya and Megha and Shreya, if you make this rule.
So please, making it clear, only representative should answer. Each one, like there are many events, so each one can be a representative for different events. So when a representative is given a chance to answer, only the representative should answer, or is strictly saying minus 5. So please be careful, okay?
So this event you are not minusing it because maybe we are not clear on that. So but next event this is the rule. Make it a point, Shreya and Megha.
Yes.
And all of you, please lower your hand after the event quickly, so that next event will move smoothly. Quickly lower your hand. Thank
Can
you.
we know who answered from team 7? The round 2 tagline.
Kiran Jain. Great going, guys. So
Okay,
you tell me.
good going, excellent. Wow, come on.
So you tell me, how are the events happening? Participants, how are you feeling?
We are being so nice.
Good.
Like the bubbles in Coca-Cola bottle.
That's great.
Okay. Well done, passengers. So let's play some more game like this. Shreya, ಏನಂತ್ಯ?
ಮೇಘಾ ನೀನ್ ಕೇಳೋದೆಚ್ಚ ನಾವು ಹಾಡೋದೆಚ್ಚ ಹೇಳು. So let's move to the next event, lemon and spoon race. So as told before, we had asked you to keep lemon and spoon ready. So
Passengers,
keep-
kindly get your lemons and spoons.
Can you post that screen again? Things to be kept ready and Sala in the meantime. They would have kept ready. Yeah. Things to be kept ready ಅಂತಂದು ಇದು. These are the things which are required for today. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಬಾಲ್ ತರಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay. Keep
so
ready.
we're just reading it out again. Rope for skipping, that is done. Tennis ball, lemon, thread and needle, gunny bag, respective caps material. So just reminding you again if you haven't kept it ready. So we'll have Megha to read out the rules.
Yeah. Get ready with your lemons and spoons. So keep your videos on.
So are you all ready?
Yes.
Oh, wow, I can see thumbs up. Thank you so much. That's amazing. So from team 1, who is coming in?
Yeah, I am Chetan Rao.
Get ready with the lemons and spoons.
Yes,
I think instead of saying get ready with your lemons and spoons, it's better language. Yeah, continue. Chetan Rao. Yeah, one.
Okay, team 1 Chetan Rao. Team 2, who is participating?
Momo is participating.
Huh?
Momo.
Team 2, who is the captain?
Skanda is the captain.
Skanda sir, who is participating from your team?
Somu.
Me.
You are participating.
No, me. Somu Sundar. Somu.
Okay,
Team
please
2.
name yourselves, okay?
Yeah, I have renamed.
Okay, Somu, that's great. Somu's video to be basically. Okay, spotlight. Team 3.
Nidisha.
Okay. Team 4.
Suma Hegde.
Harika.
Okay.
Will we have 2 rounds?
Okay, I guess even Harika is ready. Harika, can we have you for the next round?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's great. Team 4 is done. Team 5.
Parinita. Me, Manyata.
Parinita. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry. Shall we have Parinita for the first round and have Manya for the second round?
Even Ashwini.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay.
I want to participate, ma'am.
Okay. Team 6.
Lipika.
Litika's video to be spotlighted. Team 7.
Aarti Jain.
Aarti. Okay. Team 8.
Anirudh Prabhu.
Anirudh Prabhu.
Also Chinmay.
Team 8. Chinmay.
Only 1 per team, is it?
Minimum 1 per team. Maximum no limit. Everyone can come.
First round 1 per team.
Okay.
And second round again, so 1 per team. Extra is the third round. We'll go with all the teams. So I think we have now team 1, team 2, team 3. Who is team 3?
Team 3.
Nidisha.
Nidishana.
Sir, Nidisha.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ ಮಾರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Is your video on?
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. What is the name?
Can you please raise your hand?
I have raised my hand. Nidisha. Team 3.
Okay,
She's
Nidisha.
already
Done. Okay, done.
ಅವಳು ಮೀರಾಬಾಯಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಮೀರಾಬಾಯಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. So team 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, done.
Okay,
That's
so
done.
I hope you
Awesome.
know the rules. The one who keeps the lemon and spoon for a long time will go to the final round. Okay, so ready participants, can we start this?
Aarti, super. See, look at
1
the
minute time limit, right, Shreya?
Shreya, look at the Aarti's family. It's awesome. Excellent. It's like a real sports day. Very good, Aarti. Great job. Excellent. We are very proud of
Giving
you.
energy for us.
Yes, look at this. Cheer up, girls and boys. Yeah. Next.
So can we start? Volunteers ready?
Shreya, time limit.
Time limit 1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute.
When the volunteers stop here.
Event starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Go Chetan.
Come on,
Suma,
come on,
Suma.
Suma.
Good job.
Come on, Suma, you can do this.
Keep walking, keep
Yes,
walking.
Suma Hegde, come on.
So walk,
So
walk.
good,
You have to walk,
Parinita.
walk.
You can start walking.
Suma,
You
walk.
can do
And
it.
keep walking front, back.
Go
down.
team
4. Go team 4.
Yes, yes, team.
Yeah, others can hear there.
Parinita,
Team, boys and girls.
Hegde is the best.
Good walk,
Team
good walk.
two, team two, team two, team two, team two, team two, so
Watch out, watch out. Come on,
Come walk
Come
around.
on,
Come on,
Quickly.
Yes,
come on,
Parinita.
team 3, Vidisha. Team 2, team 2, team 2,
Don't touch.
Team 2, yes, can do it.
Time up.
Time up.
So Jenny, yo.
Yes, sir.
Oh, come on, look at this man. Josh, how is that, Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay. So the winners, I think the volunteers will take care. Next round, all of you lower your hand quickly.
Just to mention, I guess Parinita touched the spoon once.
ಚಿಕ್ಕುಡುಗಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕುಡುಗಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. So, other participants who are ready, please name yourselves so that your videos are spotlighted.
All of you raise the hand. Now, who is participating? With video or is matra?
Please raise your hands. Okay.
All of you participate in the event for last 1.5 years. You are not participating in any games. It's a golden opportunity. Spotlighting everybody. Volunteers, please take care. But ನನಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ರತನ್ ಕಾಮತ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಮಾಡೋದು?
sir.
ಇಂತ ಆನುಂಟು ಈಗ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನೀನು.
We have so much participation. I'm
I know,
very.
that like it. I like it, ma. I like it. Super.
Sir, I like it too. I like it.
I like it. Okay, no problem. Okay. Next round. One more round will be there. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So, last year ready.
So the criteria for selecting the volunteers who are selecting, take care. They should be moving faster, quicker, better. Okay, na? Good. Ashwini, there are 2 members. Very good. So 1 medal is the guarantee. Today India has won silver medal. Alva? Bronze.
Bronze, sir, in boxing.
Bronze. Silver medal is guaranteed. One fellow wrestling yavado. Move.
The time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Super.
Come on, Asli Maisha. Come on, Dharani, come on.
Come on, Premaka, come on, you can do it. Come on.
Dharani, come on, Dharani.
Come on,
Dharani.
Chetan is excellent.
Anjali, please.
Dharani, come on, Dharani.
Oh, okay.
Mom, actually, suddenly in my house, current went, mom.
Oh, so sad. Others, continue.
Chinmay.
15 seconds.
Chinmay.
Time up.
Super. Excellent. Okay. Next to all the participants, please, quickly. Next participants. Yeah. Yarala. Well, so please lower your hands. All of you, those participated, lower your hands quickly. Okay. Now, who has not participated yet? Or Matra. Yaro Harika. Okay. Next, Yaro Madhusri. Next. Yaro Sachindra Hattavan. Who is it? What's happening?
Sir, shall I come now, sir? Now current, some arrangement I've done, sir.
Yeah. Whoever, you raise the hand and come quickly. Raise the hand. Okay. Whoever has not participated, Matra avaru kai etti. Okay. Yaro, Shravya. Next, Kavya T. Participate ಆಯ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ?
ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. Next, Madhusri. Yes. Next, Shreya. Shreya, you participate. What?
Kavya, please rename your team number.
Who is removing the spotlights? Volunteers, don't remove the spotlights. You already done. Now, ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವರುಣ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೇಮ, ಅಹಂ ಪ್ರೇಮಾಸ್ಮಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಚಿಂದ್ರ ಅತ್ತಾವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ಗುಂಜಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಟಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲಾಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಇದಾರಾ? ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಸಮ್ವರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್.
ವಿನಯ್
ಯರ್ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಲೈಟ್. ವಿನಯ್, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. ಹಾರಿಕಾ, ಸಚಿಂದ್ರ, ದೆನ್ ವರುಣ್, ದೆನ್ ಬಿಂದು ಪ್ರಿಯಾ, ಶ್ರಾವ್ಯ, ದೆನ್ ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ, ಶ್ರೇಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ. ಸಚಿಂದ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಟೀಮ್ 1.
Team 7 sir.
ಅದೇ ಹಾಕುರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಹಾಕುರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸಾರಿ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್. ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ಯಾರದು? ಬ್ರದರಾ? ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಬ್ರೋ. ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ಹಾಯ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯರ್ ನೇಮ್?
Kaustuba.
Oh, nice name. Okay, start. I think still some more. Okay, so those who didn't get the participate, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರಿದಲ್ಲ ಕಾವ್ಯ ಟಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ಕಾವ್ಯ ಟಿ, ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೇತನ್ ರಾವ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೌಂಡ್. ಆರ್ I think we can include all. Vaibhav, are you volunteer? Vaibhav Aman Shetty? Volunteer, la?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Go ahead. Start.
Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on,
Ashwini.
Harika.
Sachindra.
Harika.
Vinay, come on.
Video off.
Harika.
Vinay, come on, Bindu.
Harika.
66.
Nice.
Come on, Varun.
Come on, Vinay. Come on, Bindu.
Come on, Varun. Ashwini.
Make some noise.
Come on, Time up. Time up. Team 4. Time up.
That's it. Okay. Next, whoever wants, okay, all of you please lower your hand. All of you quickly. Now, who has not yet participated?
Participate ಮಾಡ್ತಲಂತ.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿ. So, spotlight ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರದು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡು. Whoever wants to participate last round now. All the kids, sir. Archie, they can participate. Okay. Everybody can participate. Tripti video off ಇದೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Add spotlight. ಇನ್ಯಾರು? ಕಾವ್ಯ ಟಿ. Add spotlight. ಸಚಿಂದ್ರ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದು? ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ who else? किड्स क्या हुआ? आरती, किड्स का क्या हुआ? तेजस्विनी जे. ओके, नेक्स्ट तृप्ति अमीन गड़ू. नेक्स्ट एनीबडी एल्स? हारिका वीडियो ऑन ಇದೆ, ಆಫ್ ಇದೆ. आरती जैन कोई कर रहा है क्या? कौन किधर है? लेमन, स्टैंड करो भाई सब तरीके। आई नो सिटिंग, आई नो। ओके, नीचे नीचे पानी है क्या उधर? नहीं ना, वो इसमें उसमें पैंट ऊपर कर दी इसलिए पूछा मैंने। या सचिन रथ और आयचर निंदो ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋ. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡಿ? ಓಕೆ, ರೆಡಿ? ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ?
Your time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Cheer.
Prima,
Aarti ma'am, sunshine daughter. Aarti ma'am, sunshine daughter. Aarti ma'am, sunshine daughter. Aarti ma'am, sunshine daughter.
Artiman's daughter.
Yes, very good.
Come on, Kavya.
Good, Putta.
10 seconds left. Time up. Time up.
Please go ahead, ma. Why is stopping Shreya? Shreya, Megha.
Yes, sir. So that's it for lemon and spoon race.
Final tomorrow, alva?
Yes.
Okay, winners will be announced later and final will be tomorrow. Correct, alva?
Yes.
And
Sir, final tomorrow, na?
final tomorrow.
ಹೌದು.
Okay, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ kids just confirm, we have just note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Kids ಯಾರು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ's children, Aarti's family, then Parinita ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ಅವರದು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ. Anybody else? Kids ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಪರಿಣಿತ ಅವರದು ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಸರೇನೆ, ಅವಳ ಹೆಸರೇನಮ್ಮ?
Akanksha, sir.
ಆಕಾಂಕ್ಷ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್? ನಾಳೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಇದೆ.
Sir, ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರ್ ಮೈ ಕಿಡ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ್ದು
ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಸರ್ ಜೆನಿ ಬಟ್
I know, obviously, how can you miss here? I know.
Sir, she was eating.
I know. Yeah, it's lemon and spoon eating, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Still, what is his name?
Ayana.
Yes,
sir.
Ayana, okay. She should be given the first prize
Yes,
for
sir.
participation because she's the youngest kid. Very good. Okay. Volunteers, please make a note of it. I made in the group. Okay, go ahead.